Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your password on Facebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I want to put out there is that if you forgot your password, when there's an option to sign into your account, just select the forgot password option, and then it will send a link to your phone or email regarding how to recover your account. That is separate from this tutorial, which is focusing on actually resetting your password if you're able to sign into your Facebook account. So a little bit different, same process generally. You can actually reset your password by going through those steps as well. But assuming you're able to sign into your account, that's what today's tutorial is about. Today's tutorial is not about if you forgot your password. That is a different tutorial, but similar concept though. That's why I'm putting it out there. So if you just want to change your password, you can go up to your user account icon in the top right where it says account and click on the drop down. And then you want to select settings and privacy. And now select the settings button. Now on the left side underneath account center, you want to select versus password and security. Go ahead and left click on that. And now underneath account settings, select password and security. And then on the right side underneath login and recovery, select change password. And then you can select your account here. And then at this point, you have to enter in your username and password as well as access your recovery email. So if you give me 1 second here, I'm going to go pull up my recovery email. And I'm going to paste it in. I'm doing this off screen, by the way. So at this point, you go ahead and enter in your current password, new password, and then you have to retype in your new password as well. And then I would suggest check marking versus log out of other devices. So if you're having this issue where someone might have accessed your account without your permission, you may want to check mark that option. And then you would select OK. And then you would select change password here. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.